Hi, welcome. My name is James. Today I'm going to show you how to make taco seasoning. This isn't the stuff you get in the grocery store, trust me. This is fragrant. It tastes like awesome. What else can I say? It's just so good. Hey, stick around. I will show you how to make that right here. Coming up next on Southwest Grilling. What? You want a recipe for Spanish rice? I'm sorry, this is a video on taco seasoning. Hey, don't worry, before you leave, check out my little info card here. I got a recipe for that. Check it out, you'll like it. For the rest of you guys, we're gonna make some taco seasoning. No need to buy that crap you get in the store. Anyways, I'm gonna put the recipe down in the description so you can get that. But really quick, it's easy. I got some spices here, and this is my onion, dried onion and cumin. I grind it up right before I use it so it's fresh. And you just add your spices. Really simple. Like I said, it's down in the description. Onion powder. Oh, this is my chili powder. Awesome stuff. In fact, I just made it. It's still warm from the grinding process. I have the recipe for this. I got a video. You can check it out. It's really, really awesome. You should definitely check that out. But anyways, just add your spices. Give it a stir. Just to incorporate. And then you can store this in your pantry for, I'd say, 6 months. So make enough to last about 6 months. If you don't use it a lot, don't make a lot. I go through this stuff like crazy, so I definitely will use this before 6 months. But anyways, this is so much better. The stuff you get in the store has been sitting on the shelf who knows how long, to tell you the truth. Flavor's not there. This will take your recipe to the next level. People will be coming over your house. What? You made that? Be like, yes, I made that. Thanks to James. Oh, no. Don't thank me. It's all you, my friend. It's all you. I'm just giving you the tools to wow your family and friends. What you do with that praise is up to you. Anyways, enough of that. That's it. That's it. Grind up your spices. That didn't take long. Less than a minute. Mix. And you're good to go. Like I said, this is awesome. This will last me about a month. But anyways, it could last up to, 6 months. I wouldn't go much further than that. It's going to lose flavor. So plan accordingly. Anyways, enjoy.
I can't believe I made it!